Hello guys, it's Sag, Sunny Rebel 9. We're here in LA and we're heading up to Paramount where there's some festivals on. It's Friday evening, the time is 6:45 on the PM. We're on the 105 West, East, 105 East, heading out to Compton. We're on the motorways, you can see the different motorways here. Very busy. You see it on the sign, Central Ave, Wilmington Ave, Long Beach Boulevard. And see out there all these different Anyway, that's just a bit of a video clip of it's about on 12 o'clock midday on Saturday 7th over in Australia and New Zealand. So I stay here for the pleasant one, but in many respects quite contrary. But yeah, this is a beautiful minivan. It's a Dodge. 2011. The automatic doors, the automatic opens and automatic closes, the limit of nut. It's got different chairs and it's got a DVD. This is some of the functions of the interior. Anyway guys,